Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to show you some amazing and beautiful nail art designs of glazed nail art, and these are so shimmery and nude colors. So by wearing it your hands will look so whitish and look so elegant and decent. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friend, and don't forget to let me know your favorite nail art design, so this will give me an idea to come up a video which you like the most. And in my upcoming video you can see different kinds of nail art, and you can see these type of designs are so trending in nowadays, and this looks so fashion inspo right now. Like glazed donut nails are the sweetest combination of a pretty nude polish and a sheer pearl scent topper. So I hope you will like the video. According to Danny, a coffee nail are one of the most popular nail shapes. Nothing they look flattering on everyone, and by wearing this type of nail shapes, everyone hands look so beautiful. So it's all depend on your hand shape and which type of nail art you want to like and want to wear. I hope you will subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and do let me know your favorite nail art designs. Bye bye, have a good day.